Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through how to contact Messenger app customer service on your PC with the latest updates. Whether you're facing issues or just have questions, reaching out for help is straightforward. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all features. Once you're in, look for your profile photo located in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on your profile photo to open your account settings. Next, you'll see several options pop up. Look for the one that says, Report a problem. Clicking on this will take you to a page where you can describe the issue you're experiencing, or the feedback you'd like to provide. Now, after clicking Report a problem, you'll be prompted to select Help us improve the new Messenger. This option allows you to share your experience and helps Messenger enhance its service for all users. Finally, follow the on-screen steps to complete your contact with customer service. You'll be guided through a simple process to submit your report or query. Make sure to provide as much detail as possible to ensure a quicker response. And that's it. You've successfully contacted Messenger app customer service on PC. Whether you're looking for assistance or just want to give feedback, it's great to know that help is just a few clicks away.